guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you few short hairstyles for your fashion croquis. So let's get started. Draw a regular head divided in 4 sections, and the first quarter part we will be drawing the hair. First we will give an outline and later add strokes in the direction of the hair. This was a very basic hairstyle. Now let's make a side bang style. Again, add strokes in the direction of the hair. Making hairstyles is very simple. Just give a proper outline and add hair strokes. This way you can make any desired hairstyle you want. You can practice few hairstyles by taking a reference image. Here, I am making a middle partition and adding a high bun with few curls near the ears. Now, I will make a half bun adding side bangs. Last but not the least, a cute curly hairstyle with fringes. You have to make sure you make the hairline a little wavy, which will give an overall curly look. Now let's add color to our hair. I am using ochre color for the base, making hair strokes with light hands. Then I am using dark brown to give fine detailing to the hairline and giving final touch up with the black color. I am just highlighting the hairstyle with this shade. Similarly, I will follow this technique and render the rest of the styles. You can see how I am doing light color near the partitions. So guys, today I showed you a few short hairstyles for your fashion croquis. For any doubt or queries, you can write in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.